Rockies, and North Carolina, Davidson, and Davie.
How's it going, guys? It's ThunderBuddy01 here, along with... Yep, and oh, absolutely. And in... Okay, can the top part of my tripod turn, please? Thank you. So, I have a box. It's a white, big box. Now you're probably wondering, ThunderBuddy01, what is inside said box? That question shall be answered today. Basically, if you're watching the title of this video, then or watching the title of this video, okay. If you already saw the title of this video, it's kind of obvious at this point. Okay, yeah, I clearly didn't open this up all the way, so... You're seeing that right, I got another radio. It's the RadioShack 12382. So now, basically, if I were playing an Xbox right now, I would have unlocked 2 achievements. One being RadioShack Collector, because this is now my 10th RadioShack radio. And it would also be...
multiple of the radios with the 12-261-262 firmware.
Yep. Took the words right out of my mouth. Now let's open...
For those who don't know, basically what that means is, you know how there's all 4 radios that have the same siren and button keys?
Absolutely. And this now marks my 33rd radio. I apparently have more radios than Carson. I am shocked. Now let's open this up. Owner's manual. Now, I did look at the pictures. It did come with a... Oh! Okay then. RadioShack adapter. It came with a RadioShack adapter, but not the one for the 382. That I knew ahead of time. Yeah. And
what does it say on it?
It's a output 16 volts, and I was just looking at this. DC 9 volts.
Whoa. Out 16.
Yeah, output 16 volts.
Isn't that a bit too fucking much?
Yeah, now I'm actually kind of concerned, but, I mean, the radio does feel warm, but then again, it's in the f***ing 80s right now.
What's the output on the adapter?
On the...
9?
Wait, output in milliamps, you said?
No, on the adapter.
On the adapter.
Voltage.
Voltage, 16 volts. And on the radio, it's 9 volts. Yeah, let's just hope this works, because I just... Yeah, I mean... If the radio doesn't power on, then I'm gonna be getting a refund. I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back with the... Yep, as Clay said, we're back with the radio that's being set up. Now, I was taking a look at the pictures. It did look like the adapter was a bit overpowering for this radio, so what I'm gonna do is I'll substitute that radio over there, the 2004-261, with the 382. I'll use that cord, the cord that's being used for that radio for this, because you know me, I'm a very cautious person. But we'll run it off this cord for now, because I want to get the setup done and over with. I'll zoom in so you guys can see Weather channel 4 available. That's WXM80 broadcasting out of Riverhead. Damn, those button beeps are good. All right, select channel. That was already done. Backlight. Oh, similar to how the 262 is set up. Alert mode. Set that to voice. Alert reminder, we'll leave that off. Signal reminder, we'll leave that off. Location, leave that on all. Actually, let me check to see if there's any same codes programmed in here. And that's there's no same codes programmed in here. And I was going the wrong way in the setup. Alright, warnings are all set up. Watch. Son of a let's see. Unrecognized watch, we'll leave that off. Because, you know me, if it's unrecognized, I don't want to hear it. And advisory. Oh, this must have been brand new, like right out of the box. Let's see. Let's see, what else? Yeah, this is probably brand new. Required weekly and monthly tests were disabled. Everything that would have came disabled if it were brand new, those were all disabled. Oh, son of a... Alright, that was it. And we're done. Now we just have to set the clock. And my arms are hurting because of the way I'm freaking holding this damn thing. 12:47. Oh, I forgot. You have to hit the right arrow. So it looks like I'll be resetting the clock again.
5 to 10 knots, becoming south in the afternoon. Ease to...
Alright, set the siren. We'll actually, yeah.
He's 1 foot.
Alright, that is now the setup of the RadioShack 12382 weather radio. It's very, very simple to set up. Be sure to strike them likes and flip that subscribe button to get the latest content from Thunderbuddy 01 Productions. Also, I'm going to do this right. I'm going to unscrew this part. Also, be sure to subscribe to Clay Ranger 143 over there. And
Absolutely.
Yep. And take care, guys. This is Thunderbuddy 01 here, signing out along with...
Before you end the video, I'd like to make an announcement on my end.
Okay.
Now that you got the 12382, I'm looking forward to getting one as well.
Yeet.
So, for those of you watching, go to my channel and make sure to subscribe there to get the latest updates. So, 12382, fingers crossed, because I have a spot for it already. So, yeah. And this is Clear Ranger 143.
Alright. Peace out and take care.